Welcome to the Professional Lawyer channel. By my name, Ronnachai Netrumporn. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Mac OS to make a signature example to be used to fill in PDF documents. When we use the PDF document, we'll have a signature, pre-finished, fill in. For using Mac OS to make this signature, do we need a preview program? In Mac OS, which is the main program in the system. Before we enter the preview program, we have to provide a signature sample that we're gonna need. Apply it in order to fill in PDF by signing the signature on the white paper. Don't leave a stain. Take the signature that we like, and then come to open the review program or show a preview. To scan this signature into a signature prefabricated to prepare, used in PDF. For the signature sample, I did it by signing a signature example in this way, using blank paper. And this is an autograph, which we'll do a scan to store it for use in Mac OS systems to fill in PDF. Let's go see how there are steps. It's not complicated. Here you go. This time I will teach you how to create signatures to be used to fill in the document PDF. When the Mac OS is open, come on up, whether you use which uniform, select the launch pad. Then you will select the preview. It is a program attached to every machine of Mac OS, it's already there. If it's in English, it's called preview. When we click down, we'll open the program. Previews come up or entire shown as follows. This one will open here, which is the preview screen that allows us to open to select the file that we want to open, that is a PDF file or an image file. This time, we will create a signature, and we will choose the tool. And choose the annotation. Then scroll down to the bottom right. You will see that there is a signature, and then go to the right and choose the signature manager. Yes, when choosing the signature manager, the signature management screen will appear. This time we'll create a signature. We choose the signature. We will use the camera to create a signature, as I mentioned above. Before we get to this point, we'll have to prepare the signature example we want to use. Mine makes it 2 signatures, is an abbreviated signature, and the signature is full. By writing it on blank paper, white paper, it's a background. And then, when we come to this screen using the camera, we'll take our prepared signature. Focus in front of the camera so that the camera reads our signature and records the signature. Like this. Exactly. Put it on the blue line. The system will keep our signature as an example. If we see that it likes, we choose the finish. The signature will appear here. If we are not satisfied, you can click on the cross here to delete it and do it again. Let's say I'm going to try to erase it and I'm going to create new signature. This tail is a little raised. I'll try to see if I can. Yes, once deleted. Select a new signature. And choose the camera as before. So I'm going to take the signature I made. Come to meet the line. With a little tail raised. Like this. See that? The tail will raise a little bit. Satisfied and choose the finish. My signature sample will come out in this form. And then I'm going to create another signature, which is, create an abbreviated signature. Choose that. Create a signature and choose the camera as before. Then take the signature you made. Look at the camera. The camera will record the signature. And choose the finish. We'll get an autograph with a fully signed signature. Here, it's done. Then we can turn off the screen here. We will check the tools. And then select the annotation and scroll to the right, select the signature. And scroll to the right, and you'll see that there's an autograph, and the full signature you made just now appears. Here, if we're going to apply it, we can open the PDF file. I'll try to open the file PDF. Come up with one file. And I will try to select this signature. Suppose, I will open the request file. To send a warrant across the county and here close I make the an warrant. Example. Open to see. This petition will appear. Here, I'll show you in the middle. This is it. See that? Now there's going to be here that I drew. I'm going to have to put a signature here on the limit. And here we have to put a short signature on the back of the line. And the example here is a full signature. We will choose the tool. And then choose the annotation. Then scroll to the right. And then choose the signature. We'll use an abbreviated signature. We click on the signature. The signature appears here. We can choose, use the mouse to click and select signature. Go where we want, and then we can simplify it. And then move to where we like. And then click outside. Our signature is here. See? And then I'll do it again. Select the signature here and at the end of the line where I marked the text. And then choose one of the corners. Now that we're satisfied, then we click on the outside, and the signature will appear here. And then I'll choose the perfect signature to go to the bottom of the petition. I'll click on the signature here. The signature will appear and we will drag it down. Bottom paste. We see that it is too small. Pick one of the corners and expand it. We click on the outside, and it's a completion, see? So there's another one below. I will do the same thing, click on the tool. Annotated. Then select the signature and select the full signature sample I made. And then brought and drop it, drag it to the desired position, and then expand it. Please be satisfied. Then we'll do it again. Well, to complete it, explain the signature. And then pick out the full signature. And then we drag the full signature. We will see that there will be a line. The line shows the level to match. But we'll move here first. And then expand. Expand it equally and choose it. There will be this yellow line that shows. These two will match at the same level. And then click below, outside of the text frame. You can see it's a complete signature. This PDF document has been signed. Or the signature is complete. Then we can click on Save. Click on Save. Record file. Or another case. We can order printers. It's a PDF. Over and over again. To make these signatures that we added. Buried in. Print document PDF this edition. Because sometimes. We filled in the text. We added a signature sample. And then we saved. By saving from a file. And record it. These signatures are not embedded in the PDF document. There may be a mistake. For me, I use the method when adding a message or signature in a PDF document is done by using preview. This is it. I will order to type. Let's be PDF one more time. By using the key command, the shortcut is Command plus P. Type and save the parts we need. This time I assume that I will order a print. Select Command plus P. The screen will appear. And then pick the bottom corner in the middle here. That indicates that it is PDF here. Click as PDF. The system will ask for naming and then ask where we will record where it is recorded. This time I will record. And then choose the area to record. I will choose. You can choose teaching materials. And make a recording. Now my PDF are going to be recorded in teaching materials. This is the end of the procedure of creating a signature. And then add that signature to the PDF document. Then we can close the PDF documented file. We can add signatures. This is also considered to be the completion of the signature phase in the Mac OS system. Using a preview program. Show an example in the Mac OS which is already attached to the system to create a signature, and then the term in the document is a PDF to use, so that it can be a complete document with a complete signature. I sincerely hope that all of you who have watched this clip to the end will benefit more or less. If you find it helpful, press like, press share and press subscribe. My professional lawyer channel too. See you in the next clip. Thank you very much.